Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lakira, and today I'm going to do a review on the Gigi Marmont Super Mini Bag that I got in the pastel pink color. Let's get into it. Okay. So here we are. The bag. Super tiny, I can feel it already. Yeah. Okay, she's so pretty already. I can see her. Yes. Yes. She's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. So I already have another Gigi Marmont bag in my room. I'm gonna go get it. It's black and it's much bigger. But this is the Gigi Marmont Super Mini bag, and I thought it was gonna be like mini, but it's super cute. Let's see. This is an iPhone 11. So let's see in comparison. It comes in various colors. I wanted the pastel pink because a lot of my purses are like darker colors, and I wanted something that will pop. So I got this pink, and it's really pretty. It's the Marmont leather. Comes with this beautiful chain. And all in the face. And then here's like a little keychain right here on the side. And there's not a pocket or anything inside, but so I said, this is my iPhone 11. My iPhone 11 can fit inside. Probably some hand sanitizer, lipstick. I'll probably do a what's inside my bag video about this. But yeah, I love it. It's such a pretty color. I have different colors. Of course, I've seen where some people like double their chain to make it shorter, or to wear it around you can like double the chain to make it shorter, or to like make it to put around your waist, or just like your side. The heart in the back. I almost forgot to look at that. That's cute, right? So the heart. So like, this is a pretty purse. Let me stand up. I have my Lakers championship shirt on. Okay, so this is where it hits me. This is where it hits me. Kind of like at my waist. But I can double it up and make it shorter. Ooh, now it's like a little handbag. Now you see that? See that? So cute. So thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me if you have the same purse or a purse that's similar to in the Gigi Marmont line, and what color. Just let me know. Thank you for watching, and if you watched this entire video and got to this point, thank you so much. I love you guys.